What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, guys, we are out here with the DJI Phantom 3 Standard, you guys. Shout out to my boy B over at TDR Drones, Ebikes, and Scooters. He actually sent this to me for Christmas a while back. So, shout out to my man B. Make sure to go check out his channel, man. Awesome channel. We're going to take this Phantom up for a quick flight. Nothing too extravagant, guys. Just taking the bad boy up. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got the screen recorder started. So, before we take off this Phantom 3 Standard, we're going to get into this DJI Go app. That's the app we need for this bad boy, DJI Go. All right, you can see. Okay, so I don't want to change the, I'm going to calibrate the compass. To do a compass calibration, I'm going to bring it up, spin this bad boy around, get it busted. All right, lights in the back chain, so we need to put it on the side and spin it up till them lights change again. I think we should be good to go. I think that was successful. Ready to go, GPS. So, alrighty, guys, we are in P mode. I do got an SD card in there, so I will put up the screen recording in the SD card, of course, you guys. You know how we rocking, man. So, switch this over to recording. Start the recording, and let's start the motors.
The home point has been a takeoff.
Okay, and throttle up. Up a little bit more. I'm not gonna touch anything. Make sure we're not getting no toilet bowling. We throttle up a little bit more. Make sure the old P3. Look at that. I'm not touching anything. Ooh, dusty. That bad boy. Look at him. I'm not touching nothing. Look at him. I'm not touching nothing. Make sure he all right. We got 94% battery life, so we're good to go right there. OP3. This is the standard, guys. This has the 2.7K camera, not the 4K camera. Okay? Got a little gust of wind out on there. He's all right, though. He's all right. He's doing good. So y'all ready? Let's go. Let's take this bad boy out. Take him on out. OP3. Think about this thing being so big, you can see this thing for forever today. As long as it's clear, you can see this bad boy. So dang, we already out about 300 feet, only 54 feet up. Let's take it up a little bit more. Let's go up a little bit higher. Starting to get a little gusty, 70 feet high. Still can see the big old P3 up there. So yeah, it's been a little minute since I took this bad boy out. Shout out to my boy B over at TDR Drones, E-Bikes, and Scooters. Gave me this for Christmas, and I freaking love this thing. We already out 700 feet. And I can still see that bad boy in the sky. You see it up there? Still looks large from right here. It still looks large from 850 feet. Believe it or not, this thing is huge, man. I'm used to flying like the minis and stuff like that. Let's pan that camera down. We coming up on the pond. Y'all see all the geese in the pond. So this is the cool thing about drones, especially GPS drones, man. The fact that you can explore, check out stuff. Look at that. You can see all the little geese and stuff. The wind is getting gusty. See all the geese in the pond and all that stuff. Just check out stuff, man. That's pretty cool. They down there chilling down there, man. They down there chilling. OP3, we are out. over 1,000 feet, 1,100 feet, guys. I'm gonna take this bad boy up. I don't want to hit no trees or nothing like that. Hit no trees with the big boy. Take it on up. Check it out. Approaching 1,400 feet. Reception is still really good. Check it on out now. We just cruising, man. 1,500 feet. Let's go up a little bit more. Reception looking pretty good. You guys can see I'm approaching the highway there. There's the highway there. 1,700 feet, guys. Check it on out. Reception is still really good. 1,800 feet. Reception got a little glitchy there, so it got a little choppy there at 1,900 feet. So at 1,950, you can see that red car going past, and it got a little glitchy there. So around about the 2,000 feet going this way is what I started to experience a little bit of glitchiness, but I mean I can still go. It's still pretty good. So we'll go right here to about the edge of the road here, and I'll start to make my way back. So there we are at the edge of the road here. So if we look this way, we can see there's Walmart over there. There's Arconic, How Met or whatever. They make like airplane parts and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Now if we could pan around and turn it this way. If we could turn around and look at going this way, we can see the little credit union there. There's Bunny Bread there. Yeah, there's Bunny Bread over here. So we're still pushing it at 2,100 feet. Let's go see what's going on over here at Bunny Bread. So, yeah, range is incredible, man. Range is good. So over here, there's the U-Haul place right here. That's where they rent out U-Haul. So you guys need a U-Haul, you can go get your U-Haul. Storage space rentals right there. And then looking up right here where all these trailers are. This is actually Bunny Bread right here where they make bread. You guys ever eat Bunny Bread? This is where they make it at right here. Bunny Bread. Yes. So swinging around this way. So there's a little subdivision over that way. There's the tracks. And let's turn it around.
Go home.
A little bit of reception. Uh-oh. It wants to come back. It's coming back. Return to home. Here it is. It's coming on its own. Here we go. Here we go. So it's coming back. It must have lost signal and started to return. But look at that shot right there. Look at that, guys. That looks freaking beautiful. I'm telling you, pal. Look at that. That is awesome. That is awesome, guys. The OP3 making his way back. So I did not engage that return to home. I kind of just did that on his own. Look at the birds flying. So it must have felt that it lost signal and they decided they wanted to return. That was cool. So we got over 2,000 feet just cruising around the P3 today, man. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I did want to get out. And I can see me now. You see me on the screen. I'm a little dot there. I am a little dot in the middle of the screen. Can you see me? Can you see me? And look, there's the P3. You see the big boy? The big boy up in the sky. You see him? Check him out. Coming right back to Papa. Come on back to Daddy now. Yes, sir. Right to me. Right above me. I freaking love this thing, man. Oh, man, look. This thing is right above me, guys. If I pan the camera all the way down, it'll be right above me.
Landing.
Bring it all the way down. You see me? Right above me. That thing came right back to Papa. It did. Came on right back to Daddy. Yes, sir. Your boy Drones and Dogs. Holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. Just putting the camera back up. See that beautiful sunset. Yeah, sun is starting to set, guys. Setting over the neighborhood ski. Uh-oh, are you trying to land over there in the abyss? I know you're not trying to do that to me. Look at that, it's my, guys, look at where it's trying to go. And we started off over here, so the return to home landing was not that accurate. Let's go ahead and bring it on over though. Let's guide him over. Your boy Drones the Dog. Holla at your boy. And go ahead and land. Go ahead and land. Bow. Stop that recording. Recording saved, guys. So we got a nice successful flight of about 2,000 feet with the old trusty P3 standard today. Your boy Drone the Dog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next episode. Deuces.